Good afternoon, just starting to rain. Welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Ipenema sand, what a lovely colour. So Land Rover Freelander 2 2.2 SD4 HSE Lux or Luxury. Command shift automatic. Top of the range, I think, HSE Luxury. Four-wheel drive. 2013, registered in the latter part of the year on a 63 plate. 70,000 miles, just had the cam belt and the water pump replaced. 6 services. So top of the range 2013 car, 70,000 miles, nice mileage. 6 services, just had the cam belt and water pump replaced. HSE Luxury. So reverse camera rear spoiler, got a fitted tow bar, rear park sensors, privacy glass. Lovely diamond turned, 19-inch alloy wheels, Pirelli Scorpion. Same on the front with a Pirelli Scorpion. Front park sensors, front fogs, headlight washers, daytime LED running light. Twin panoramic sunroofs. Black leather, Meridian Hi-Fi, electric seats in the front, heated seats in the front, tilt slide front glass roof with a sunshade, fixed rear glass roof with a sunshade. Piano black interior, so piano black trimmings to the steering wheel, dashboard and door cappings. Heated leather steering wheel as well as heated seats. Obviously HSE, so sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio. There's the heated seat buttons, automatic, got your terrain response buttons down there, fitted mats. Wow, lovely this. 70,000 miles, just had the cam belt and water pump done. 6 services, really clean car. £13,595. 13,595. See the little reverse camera tucked up underneath there. HSE. Load cover, all complete this car. 2 keys, load cover. Super clean in the boot area. Pirelli Scorpion on the back. Pirelli, 4 matching premium Pirelli Scorpion tyres. I do love this Ipenema sand colour. It's really unusual and suits a Freelander. Bodywork appears to be very, very, very good as well, as do the wheels. Not chips or scratches or stone chips that I can see. Door card, perfect, no wear. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, heated steering wheel, voice control. 70,471 miles. I'll show you the reverse camera in a second, but don't forget sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, electric memory driver's seat, heated seats, heated steering wheel, reverse camera. There you go. How clear is that? Can't see the rain on there. Satellite navigation, touchscreen. What a nice car that is. Obviously got cruise control, auto lights, etc, etc. Very, very, very nice Freelander 2 HSE Luxury. 70,000 miles, cam belt done. 13,595. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Freelanders in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you will get a notification every time we have a fresh vehicle come into our stock. You will then be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that vehicle. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.